What can I do to stop my husband from snoring? I try poking him, but that doesn't always work.
If your husband sleeps on his back, have him switch to his side. When you're on your back, your tongue and other soft tissues in the throat tend to slide back, creating a narrower airway. If he drinks in the evening, have him try drinking less. Alcohol is a muscle relaxant and it may be affecting muscles around his airways. A chronically stuffed up nose can also contribute to snoring. Sometimes taking Benadryl clears both the congestion and the snoring right up. Now, if none of this works, we have a couple of other options. There's a dental device that repositions the jaw and the tongue while you sleep that helps some bad snorers. There's also a promising new procedure called the pillar. It involves inserting these plastic implants like this into the soft palate. Scar tissue forms around the implants, which stiffen up the tissues so they don't vibrate and make noise. Most health insurance policies don't cover it, but from the sound of things, it might be money well spent. From Harvard, I wish you good health.